Hey now, welcome to FreedomSufferer Cards video number 183. I sit down! Yeah, man, yeah. Today, we continue with part 8 from Another RAK from a Farnum. And part 4 of the stickers. So this is our second last stickers rip. And we also open a little rack from Julie Farnum, yeah. But first, a reminder to please check out Julie Farnum's page, as if it wasn't for her awesome kindness, none of this would be possible. None of these series would be possible, and this is part 8, with still a couple more to go. There are other types of Farnum racks going on as well, but don't forget that. A big thank you to Julie Farnum. I appreciate you, and I appreciate this. I really do. Now it is time to commence. Will we find Foily Big Heads? We don't expect to crush it like we did last time. We got way too many foils last time. You can never have too many, but I see something shiny. Here we go. Mika Zibanejad, Matthew Perot, Zimgis Jurgensen's Foily Barzell, yeah, big head mode activated. I sit down. Oh, foil, star power, yeah, Alexander Barkov, man. I said foil, man. Talk about a back-to-back jack, yeah. Whew, starting it off with 2 foilies. Man, that was intense. Here we go. John Carlson. Eric Johnson. Michael Raffle. Brendan Gallagher. And foil of Ryan Getzlaff. Yeah. Sweet. Here we go. Here we go. What I'm talking about. Mark Stone, Matt Murray, Jiggity J Gensel, Nick Justad, and Claude Giroux. Ukestad. I know. Multiple languages leaving me in a state of confusion and madness. Yeah. Macho madness. Ooh, yeah. All right, Marcus Johansson, Johnny Boychuk, Andrzej Kopitar, Casey Sezikis, and Nikita Kucherov. I don't know what to say about you, my friend. Got skills, that's for sure. Playing the villain role with his trash talk. Meanwhile, he didn't play a single regular season game. Brian Boyle, Warrior, Chris Tierney, Hampus Lindholm, Jeff Skinner, and Star Power, yeah, Ovi. Now we've seemed to have gone a little cold with the foily front after that hot start, continuing from last episode's absolute foily madness. TJ Brody. More Tampa beating the Devils 4-1 here, like they did with the Habs. Travis Konechny, Brett Connolly, Nathan McKinnon. I feel like I should be congratulating the Tampa Bay Lightning, but it's hard for me to. And it's just weird. I don't know. The last 2 playoff years have been weird. You had 2 teams from the East playing each other. Year after year, we hear about this and that, and the West is where all the strength is. Meanwhile, not only that, almost everyone in that division that has Tampa before this year, that has Tampa, Toronto, Boston, Montreal, Ottawa in a few years, I'm telling you. That division is crazy. I believe 3 or 4 of those teams either met in the finals in the playoffs, won their divisions, or were fighting for division titles. That tells you how deep that division is. Next year, back to all the fun. Rasmus Ristolainen, Gabriel Landeskog, Louis Eriksson. Oh, we're back to the Foily madness. Philip Forsberg and Columbus Blue Jackets Wild. Yeah. 2 packs to go, 3 packs to go. Franz Nielsen, Zach Parise, Ryan Kessler, Jacob Silverberg, and a big head mode activated of Jonathan Marchessault. Yeah! Foily! Right. 2 packs to go. What we don't know is, will we see an Austin Matthews maybe? Is there an Austin Matthews big head? Is there a Mitch Marner big head? Chris Kreider, Jacob Chichurin, Jumbo Joe Thornton, Kyle Turris, and Johnny Gaudreau. Last pack before we open the rack. Or is there a McDavid? There has to be a McDavid big head mode activation somewhere. Jared Spurgeon from the Farnums. Jake DeBrusk. Oh. Matt Dumba. Oh, Farnum. Yeah. Always with the random acts of kindness from Farnum, we hit a lot of wild. And a Panini sticker, just a Panini logo. Very nice. Very nice. Foily madness. Yeah. So out of 10 packs, we still ended up with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7, not too bad. 2 big head mode activations, man. Yeah. All right. Now let us see what we got here. Oh, that will show some. Green legs, dancing green legs. Carlos to your head. I said. Hopefully I'm not cutting through any letters or anything. Okay, here we go. Oh, down. Okay, alright. Midness. Cover that up because one seems to have a letter. There's something in here. Oh, there's a sticker pack. No. Yeah. 1920 as well. Okay. Well, we'll do the stickers first. Why not? I am still looking to complete the series of this, the album. Corey Snyder. Oh, this was the other year. Okay, yeah. The other year. I don't have any of these ones. Jonathan Taves, Ryan Suter, Mark Giordano, and a Foily of Ryan Getzlaf. Again, Silver Zero Foily, man. Yeah. Silver Zero getting representations left, right, and center. Alright. More sticker mids. Jonathan Doobie-Dooby-Dooberdo. I said Melker Carlson. Tuukka Rask. We do find lots of Tuukka Rask around here. Damon Severson. And Foily Sebastian. I said. Alright. Foily madness. And now we will go with this guy. See that? Too fast for you. Oh, know who that is? Dan the Man. Fire. Man, that's a sweet looking card. Pops, fire, I sit down. I said, yeah. Man, That's sick. Super awesome. Now, it is time. It is time.
Ooh, yeah. History beckons the Macho Man, yeah. Ooh, yeah, man. Looking good there, yeah. Yeah, cream of the crop. Funky like a monkey, yeah.
Woo! Beautiful Macho Man Randy Savage card.
I said down.
Look at this. Oh, what a beautiful card here. I'm going to have to unleash the madness.
Yeah.
What an awesome thing. Julie Farnum, this is amazing. I have to take it out. Here we go. It's a thicker card. Tops. Yep. Amazing. That card looks great.
I said, yeah. Ooh, yeah, you see that? Man,
That is beautiful.
ooh, yeah, multiple elbow drops, yeah.
Everyone liking that or what?
For me, it's okay. Cujo's a good guy.
Alright, that's not Cujo, man.
It's Macho Man, yeah.
I hope you enjoyed that, because I sure did. Please give this video a like, subscribe if you haven't, leave a comment. Thank you again, Julie Farnum. This was awesome. All kinds of madness. Yeah. Everything you see here that happened, and a lot of that background is courtesy of Julie Farnum. I'll see you guys soon. Beals.
Creepy alien challenge. Creepy alien challenge from Farnum. I said, we don't got time to raise our voice.